museum, and there's no sign of them. We'll just have to keep looking at other trailers that are pretty much everywhere. Yeah, just look up. David! Pick him up! Pick him up! Get him! Max, what's up, buddy? No! This is Spain. And are you guys responsible for this show?
I'm gonna defer to Chuck is responsible for this mess.
Yeah, but Chuck can't be found. He's off lollygagging doing.
You know what? He was a judge at the car show last year, and I told him he needed to be on this side to get this year. And guess what? Where is he?
Lame. Yeah, drop out. So tell me about your trailer that you have behind us.
So behind us is a 1951 Roadmaster. We just had the masonite taken off, aluminum sided it, and had it painted, and we're waiting for pinstriping. And everyone needs to tell my husband yellow is the way to go for the pinstriping.
Yellow pinstriping. So it's a non-masonite trailer.
Yep.
Okay. And what year is it?
51 Roadmaster. And then, did you get the Curtis right next door to us?
No, but I will. There's just trailers everywhere. Thank you.
Yeah, it's a hot day. I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with the splash gun so I cool down. Won't you come on over? We can party till the sun's down. Baby, let me buy you a drink while we're dancing a blink. I could go for some Queen Bee too. Bass is going boom boom. If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over, we can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide.
Cars in this show. It's a tiny little show, and the cars are off the chart.
Crazy. It's a little bit of everything.
A little bit of everything. Really nice.
A lot of bit of everything.
It's really a neat turnout. Some great cars. Look at that, Riviera.
So bring your A game, cause you know this party won't stop. We could never run out of time, sipping strawberry lime. You know I wanna share it with you. Bass is going boom boom.
We're back at the Murphy Gonna be picking up a cool car to take back with us. Ken is gonna be driving the Hyundai. You lucky stiff.
Oh man, that thing's awesome.
Yep. But I'm picking up something interesting. Let's go see what it is.
You know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. It's getting kinda crazy up in here. Got that DJ playing music, everybody wants to hear. Yeah. It's getting kinda crazy up in here. Everybody wants a ride in the water.
So I'm going to be taking this J10. It's a very nice Jeep. I'm going to be taking that to Malibu Autobahn, a couple of other shows. It's pretty sweet.
I tell you, everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over. We can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide.
Tonight there's no way back. The whole town is all about summer, and we have enough wine to last us until morning light. Yes, it might be true. I'm a little bit out of my mind. Let it sweep us off our feet without a fight. You know the sun can wait. I know this is borrowed time. They've counted 9, but still I bet on a miracle to happen. Is it really too late? Is it really tonight, this night? Is it really too late? Oh, it's a little bit too much. We face so much trouble in this life, but not enough to declare war on love. You know they should have told us. It's so easy when you start off, but you better prepare to bleed, my love. You better. Is it really too late? Is it really tonight, this night? Is it really too late?
Pretty interesting time. Lots of fun. I got all this crap on my desk. Before I let you guys go, I want to say a little snippet about conscious living. There's 2 ways to live your life. You can live your life consciously, or you can live it unconsciously. And what I mean by that is that you can strive every day to to decide what it is that you want for your life, or you can just kind of live your life on the cuff, hoping for the best and hoping that things work out. I personally strive to live for the first, a conscious way of living, and that requires a tremendous effort. It requires a lot of work. But the work is proportional to the outcome, to what it is that you get back. If you put out love and good things into the world, then that's what comes back to you. I've said it here on the vlog 1,000 times. Well, maybe not 1,000 times, but about 800 times. And I'm going to say it again. Give love into the world, and love comes back. And the easy way to do that, to give love into the world, is go do fun stuff. Go do things that you love. Get involved with projects and people, and hang out with people that think the same way, that do the same things. I'm very grateful for my friends, incredibly grateful for my friends. Old, new, short, tall, human, dogs. Doesn't really matter to me. But I'm most grateful for you guys. Thank you once again for joining me on this journey on Fireball Malibu Vlog. I appreciate each and every one of you, and the reason I keep going is because of you guys. So there's no stopping us now.
This beat's getting up inside me, and all this heat's frying up my brain, taking over all of my senses, making me high like an aeroplane. So hot like a shot of brandy, going down sweet as a candy cane, tearing down my wall of defense. It's a cutthroat shock running through my veins. You know, you can feel it rising, coming up quick like a burning flame. It's a hot flash holding you fast. It's a non